Hello little scientists, welcome to ALLEN IntelliBrain. Have you ever noticed that your surroundings are not the same throughout the year? Sometimes there is a heavy snowfall around you and sometimes the sun shines so brightly that you have to wear your sunglasses. Do you know the reason behind these changes? Absolutely correct. Season is the correct reason. In this video, we will understand about season in a fun way through our Intelli SMART Box. From your Intelli SMART Box, take out the season's tokens, season screens, the season's cards, and season's kit, do you know one thing? That to start any game first, you need to assemble things for the game. And here in Intelli SMART Box, the assembly is itself too interesting. So from your Intelli SMART Kit, you need to take out both the season's tree, a season's base and a season's token base, along with the 4 lampposts depicting the name of the seasons on them. And if you are ready with all of this, let's get ready to set up our tree. Can you observe that one of them is having the slit at the upper end and the another tree is having the slit at the lower end? Now what you need to do is that you need to insert the tree with the slit at the lower end into the tree with the slit at the upper end, so that we will form 4 seasonal tree all together. Look carefully. This is the one side. This is the another one. Here we have the third side. And this is the fourth side. Now take your season's base, and if you can see that there is a cross slit at the center of it. So we are going to place the 3D model of the tree carefully on it in such a manner that the season on the tree coincides with the season on the base. Come on, let's do it. Perfect and wonderful. Do you want to make it more spectacular? Let's insert the season's token base. What you need to do is, you need to hold the season's token base on the top of it and insert it nicely along the slits. There you go. Isn't it wonderful and beautiful? Make sure that you have the same season on the base of the tree and the same season on the season's token base. Now it's your turn to identify the season and place the lamppost. Okay, tell me one thing, that the snowflakes are found in which season? Oh yes, it is the winter season. So we will place the lamppost of winter season in the slit provided on the season's base. Come on, now it's turn to insert all the lampposts. Ta-da! Your 3D seasons tree is now ready. Come on, let's have fun playing a seasons tree game. For this, you will need your seasons card box, seasons tokens, and your beautiful seasons tree. First, take your seasons card box and take out the cards from it. And remember to shuffle the cards once you take them out. Evenly spread all the cards on your table. Do you know what you have to do next? Next, you have to pick a card from the deck of cards. Look what I have found. Yes, this is the pumpkin. Now I need to find the pumpkin token from the given season token. Where is the pumpkin? Oh yes, here it is. Now it's your turn to identify that this token belongs to which season. Is it summer, winters, autumn or spring? Yes, we harvest pumpkin in the autumn season. So we will place the pumpkin token on the autumn side of our season's tree, in the provided slit. Perfect. Let us take out another card from the deck. Look what I have found. It is the sunglasses. Now let me find out the token of sunglasses. And here it is. You know what? We wear sunglasses when the sun shines so brightly, which is the summer season. Now I'm going to place the token of sunglasses in the summer side of the seasons tree. Keep drawing cards one by one and fix the seasons token at the correct place as per the season they belong to. When the fixing of the tokens of a season is completed, it's time to set up the 3D seasons theatre for the completed season. Look how beautiful your tree looks like. After playing this wonderful game, you will have now learnt about the 4 seasons: spring, winter, summer and autumn, the food items, articles and the clothes relevant to each season. Now, meet you soon to play the remaining part of the game in the next video. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.